Hi guys, this is Mark here from M2 Carpentry. I'm going to walk you through the setup of one of our Volkswagen transporters with the Sportz crossbar. As you can see, I've got the 4-bar setup here. That allows me to take the longer lengths of timber that we need to carry for the jobs and long ladders as well, so it works really well. On this side we've got our conduit carrier on our 3 stow-it brackets. We find it great for carrying our straight edges, our long levels, and the good thing is it's lockable as well. On the back here I've got the ladder rack with the roller. Makes it very easy to put our extension ladders on and off, and we've got this easy tie down strap here which makes it very secure and it's not going to go anywhere. On the back here we've got our load holders. They're adjustable to any cross rail that we've got on the roof. It's got the holes here where you can tie down, use the straps, and it's perfect for carrying longer lengths of timber. So on the driver's side I've got the batwing awning. It's connected with the stow-it brackets that we also used on the other side. They're very adaptable for using the batwing, or earlier on I had a shovel on the side that I could easily take off. These crossbars are awesome. They've got the open channel on the top, which means I can move my accessories around from across the bar without taking anything else off.